the most important skill of a drywaller?
Taking your time when setting your screws. If you end up not putting your screws in far enough, you're gonna find out during your mudding process just how much it's messed you up.
Are you videoing?
I'm always videoing now. You really gotta be on your wall now. Are we gonna do this unboxing?
I think so.
What arrived?
A door from overseas. That's a steel door. We've been waiting for 8 months.
Wow.
Okay, you talked me into it.
You've been waiting for 8 months for this thing?
Yeah. Going on 8 months. Oh. It's kind of a cool door. It's fully custom. We should get another camera.
All right, the moment of truth.
Do you guys have the smoke things going? Like for the background or anything?
No. Whoa! Look at that thing.
That turned out sweet. We want it to fit.
Little peek out
Yeah.
window. Is it a remodel
It's
or
just a door job.
just a door?
Swap.
They
Yeah,
just
so
wanted
he has a
door.
door that's similar to this, same shape and everything, but it's a solid oak door. He wanted a steel door. And then we have the handle set for it somewhere over there on the shelf. And then on the back side of it, there's a door knocker on it. And then we'll be dropping a floor bolt. We'll be attaching a floor bolt onto this door too.
It's a hefty door.
It's gonna hurt your hand.
It's
to
a
knock on it.
700-pound crate. 700 pounds. The customers are actually coming to look at this tomorrow, Saturday.
Okay. Okay, it is Monday morning. We are just leaving J&RS headquarters. I'm going to be on my way to our remodel project in Lakewood. And we were there last week. You might remember the concrete poured the foundation for the addition. Today they're going to be starting the layout for the framing process. Then we're going to check into a couple other projects as well. But for now, let's get over to see that framing process. Here's our trusses, the lull. This is the machine that they're going to be using to swing the trusses up.
Seals at 37. Our framing and sheeting is going to be flush out with the concrete here. And so we're going to do a flat flashing up this about 4 inches onto the wall so the water will run down and onto this.
Is that what a flashing is? Is for water?
Yeah.
Water runoff?
Water runoff. Keeps water out of any spaces you don't want it. And under here is foam too, which is helping the slab. So if water just sits on that foam, it's just going to eat it over time. Just deteriorates it. So that's what that's for. Now we're going to do some framing. Waiting on a skill saw. We're going to cut all our window parts and just get it all ready.
These are going to be windows.
Yeah.
Window
Trimmers,
trim.
headers, cripples, all the fun stuff.
What's a trimmer?
What I do to figure out my trimmer height is I pull down from the top of the stud and mark the line where the header's going to be. The trimmer is what holds up the header on each side. It supports the header. It bears that weight all the way down to the concrete. And then the cripples is what goes under your sill here. This is our sill. It just supports the weight of the window.
If we quizzed you, how well do you think you'd do?
On what?
Like a terminology quiz. Trimmers, headers.
Probably not do very good.
Do a few of them and you'll be a whiz in no time.
94 and 3/8.
Not really. the secrets behind it?
Yeah. We drove that this morning from the shop.
All the way from the shop
Yeah,
here?
bouncing down Lismore Road there. He was behind me in the truck laughing at me the whole time. Looked like a bobber in the water.
Going about 10 miles an hour or something?
Yeah, that's what he said. We topped out at 10. So you see that big snow drift
Mm-hmm.
up in the roof there?
Yep.
We don't want snow and ice and water sitting up there, especially when it starts to get warm. So we got to frame a cricket. It'll be new roof joist off of that roof plane there, and it'll run to the wall. And we'll shingle tin it along that wall so the water will have a flat plane all the way down to that wall.
Is there gonna be a deck up there that door goes out to? Or?
Well, yeah, we're gonna frame that door in, and the deck's actually gonna wrap around to the front side here.
Oh, okay.
And we'll cut a new door under that window.
I see.
Yeah.
All right. I'll be back tomorrow. See you guys. So we're showing up at another addition project. This one's a little further along. We're in the drywall phase. Hey, how's it going? Are you helping out in here?
Oh no, I gotta put the sewer over here.
Oh no, it's no good. Yeah, let's see if we can find Dylan here. Here, I gotta show you our mech room here. Marlon's starting to stamp the logo on her. It's looking beautiful. Nice job, Marlon. Found him. How's it going? This is Drywall Dylan.
Yeah, buddy. Yep, it's coming along here, Max.
There's a lot of drywall you done here, huh?
Absolutely. I'll show you the funnest part.
So this is the funnest part?
Here's the dormer.
Oh, we're at the top.
Keeps going up. It was a treat getting the sheets up the stairs. And then once we got this area done, we had to move into this small little knee wall area.
Oh, wow, look at this.
We have to fire tape. But yeah, we should have it all hung up by today. Start the pre-filling maybe by the end of the day, otherwise tomorrow. And then,
Nice.
and after that, onto the taping and finishing the rest up. We weren't able to have the boom get the sheetrock to this level, so we had to take 12-foot sheets of sheetrock up these stairs from the main level, and it was a good time.
Hey, you got promoted to foreman?
Yes.
So how's that been? So without Dane, you find your way okay?
So far, so good, but I'm sure there'll be a couple of jobs in the future that'll be more challenging. Absolutely. Yeah. We got guys from different crews just helping me out for now.
Yeah. Good, but a lot of
Better than nothing.
good opportunity to kind of get thrown into the fire and learn.
Absolutely. And good opportunity for these guys too to see if they actually want to do it.
Right. Is this going up in that little crawl space?
Yeah.
Going up.
Up and away.
It's the most important skill of a drywaller.
Taking your time when setting your screws. Because if you end up not putting your screws in far enough, you're going to find out during your mudding process just how much it's messed you up. You're just going to be taking a lot more time getting your coats of mud on your screws, doing your taping, all of it. Just really pay attention and don't rush it, I guess. Just make sure you got your screws set perfectly. And if you set them too deep, the drywall loses a lot of its strength. So it really does need to be right in that fine line. A little tight of a cut, I guess. Pressure's on, it better fit. There it is.
Perfect. right, Tristan, I'm out of here.
All right,
See you later. All right, I'm gonna get going. All right, so that's it for today. I don't think I'm gonna make it to any more projects. I'm gonna be heading back to the showroom and wrapping it up, but we will be back tomorrow. Back on site, I'm gonna hit our Lakewood edition again and checking on the framing process. We should have some more interesting footage to show of the walls going up and that lull machine ripping and roaring, and the guys will be having fun. So we'll check back in there. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, do all that good jazz. We appreciate you watching this video. We appreciate every follow, every subscriber, every like, every comment. That's what we're here for. We're here to engage. We're here to educate. We're here to show you what this process looks like and share how we do it with the world. So thanks for following along. See you next time.